Right, I've had to use the 4K and reset the phone and the camera and everything else to get it to work again. But yes, I was doing a live stream earlier. This is the Black & Decker 42cm with a 50 litre box. There's your land gulls there. Not to be confused with the seagulls. Right, I'm not on the lowest cut. I've got another one I can go down to. You adjust it with on the one touch there. This tells you if it's full or not. That gets clogged, obviously you can't see that, but there we are. Pop that in, press that button to press that. I'm going to go with the other cutter there, but I just wanted to show you can get quite close to the edge. Also, I've got the 25-year-old mower coming out to play. This is just the collector, the other one hasn't got a collector box on it, so I know I need to collect the stuff up. Try to let the flowers drop back into the ground. Nutrients to go back. I don't have this trim anymore, so I have to go with the shears at the edges. But yeah, you'll see that in a moment. I've already had a bash at the front garden. You'll see that there. Don't know if it shows up too well on the camera. We'll continue. Push that in. There's a little damper around the back here, and I'm fighting against the weather too. This is after quite a few years, this. You can hear it making a bit of noise. Right, that's why the blades might need rebalancing. As they wear, you get a lot of vibration when they go out of balance. Plus you can start to see the bearings as well. That's just where it's getting so wet it gets thick. I've got another mower just in case this one pops out. We've got a lot of moss, you see. Yeah, it starts to clog when it's wet and damp like this. It's twice as heavy then. Mr. Meow! Meow-son! Oh, Meow! Chairman! Oh, Chairman, I love you. Forgive me, will you? I love you. Oh, petitioner! Oh, do it! Oh, I love you. Oh, you were calling for me. And I couldn't hear you with the mower. Oh, bless your cotton socks. I've not fed you today. I've been looking for you. I have, you know. I have. Right. Oh, bit of tissue there. Yes. Oh, do it. Oh, my carry's back. Oh, run. Oh, my God. Oh, I love you. I'm so sorry. Will you forgive me? Would you forgive me, will you? There you go. There's a pouch there. Right. Anyway, back to... I think that one's broken there in the shaft in there. And so it just spins. It won't thing. So I want to do earlier. I needed to get this open, but the damp had made the door a bit stuck. So now as I managed to open it, I'll get to that. So, the schools with the children all coming back. Right, you can see it there. It's still very damp and there's a lot of moss. I'll get out the 25-year-old mower. Eventually we'll get down to the push mowers. It's just very, very wet. April showers bring me flowers, but they're already coming out too soon. So say I'm not on the lowest one because that would just choke it. And the moss too. I just had a banana and a bit of water. That's all I've had today. And the land goals are waiting for me to give them some food. There's those two, and then where's the others? Where's the two? Mason pair, where's the children? They've gone on their own, have they? That's what they do, they leave the nest. If you do your job well, they leave you. Know where your blade is, so you can go close enough without damaging it. And don't do what I did, check your garden for any foreign bodies. I'm looking visually as best as I can, that's why another reason to keep your garden low. You run over and think that's your mower gone. I was watching another video, the guy wrecked his mower and he paid a lot more money as well. He did get it repaired though, which is the good thing. Because sadly, the place where I used to get these repaired now, you've had that. So I'll go with the other one. Right. You can see the difference. Might not show up too well in depth on the camera, but we've come down. You see it more than of these flowers, but the wind just takes them all off. Okay, so the hay feeder as well. Right. I've only got sort of 1,700 hours before the rain comes. That's the trouble with having this here. I'm going to get this sorted. This is not meant to be like this. This was put here. They didn't put the shed up. And of course that got broken as well. It's very, very wet. But you've got to do it because this is not going to get any better. So I got issues with the camera, so I had to switch to the other one. Reset the phone. I'm preparing for this mower to die. Usually get 3 to 5 years max out of the mower. You know the sound, it doesn't sound the same, but it is choking, you see. It's not because it's wet. Don't put your hand in there unless you take the power out. But yeah, let's turn this over and see how much it's choked. That's it. Choking. When they design these things, it just gathers in there. And there's your roller, which is all gathered and stuff. Oh, and dog muck. Oh, crap enough. Or cat muck. Ah, dang it. Oh, yeah. Oh. Bloody animals. Just get as much of this off as I can. The heat, it burns, it welds itself to it. Right. Yeah, don't do what I've done here. I thought the blade might be there's not too bad. You get it balanced once a year. Used to go to the old place, that's gone now. If you've got a tool, you can do it yourself. Or balancing tool. Just get this out of here. It's just so wet, see? Wet Weetabix. Like Weetabix. There you go. Right, it'll take me a while to upload this, but yeah. She's struggling a bit. She's struggling a bit. What can you do? Right, he's got to just clip into that bit there, but as I say, just get the bit hold now. That's pulling apart. Okay. This was one of my most popular videos with this mower. This one and the steak one. It's been good to me, this one. I know it's more than twice what I've paid for it now. I want to replace it. High Fly Mo's done well at my videos. So as well, the same as Black and Decker. He's still there. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Are you a good boy? Are you? No. You're not. You're a bad boy, are you? No. Oh, Mr. Meow. Oh, I love you. Oh dear. The paint's so careful. My mum did that many years ago. Taken down, back to the basics. I don't get new stuff. I have to struggle along, pay the bills, but they don't get done. Repairs. But that there, they put it back into the end of next month. The next door broke it, and we broke that one. Broke that one. Broke the top off that one, split that one. Anyway, I've got the old girl I could get out. She's got some things in her. You come to say hello. They all love you, you know. They do, they love you. They love you. Oh, I love you. Oh, I do. Oh, homeless cat you are. Come to me to live. Come to me, don't you? Do you love me? What you doing? What are you doing? What? What is it? What is it? Tell me. Tell me, I don't understand. Right, look, let's go. Probably for a say. Español. What is it? You saw something then, didn't you? What was it? Right. We can see they're there, but it's struggling. I've already done the fronts. So we've got that in there already. Follow me. Okay. There you go. It's not on the lowest cutting yet. I've still got a lot to go. I'm so hungry as well. I haven't eaten yet. Just a banana. My bird's come pecking while she's been cutting the stuff. I gotta get rid of these weeds. I'm gonna take out all the stuff around the borders, get on my hands and knees with the little hand clippers. And the same up there. Oh, you see these rich people. Shows you the wicked you are, the better things go for you. I know. What? What you doing? Oh, hey! Excuse moi, merci beaucoup. You want to be on the camera? You want to make it all about you, don't you? It's all about you, isn't it? Right, and just be careful with this because it's very, very wet. You'll soon get the dry times again. Yeah, the apple tree's coming along. It's all start again. If I turn this on, you make a different sound, you'll be off them. Still wish I had the other lawnmower that they stole, which is over here. What can you do? There's a lot of moss. I've got to put that stuff down, but I can't do it when it's going to rain. That's what I'm struggling. You can see the moss there. That other green is the moss. See that? To move these concrete slabs, they're heavier than they look. Can't get anyone to help me. I'm getting too old to do it on my own. They're a lot heavier than they look, those things. I got my nettle tea there. Where it's drier, it's cutting a lot easier. It really is. The wet, it's a problem. Still got some of the snowdrops there. I'm just doing it this way because it's so wet, otherwise I'd be going up and down doing stripes. Really struggling. I should bring out the old girl. The old Flymo Turbo Tilt 330. That'll go through this. This is it. You can see the apples, the buds are coming on the trees. So the buds coming. So this is April, then we've got May early weathers, and then we've got flame in June, possibly. It starts to fog up again. We've got lots of flower in here. The birds are singing. I have Chairman Meow here. Oh, I love you, Chairman. I love you. I do. You're talking back to me, aren't you? I'm so sorry. I have to do these jobs. I do. I do. Oh, what can you do? Right, that's full there. I might be able to push it down a bit, but don't compact it too much. You can see I'm getting there slowly. I think I should pull out the old girl, really. 25 years, over 25 years I've had that. What should I do? We'll do that a separate day when it's dry. You got those two there, you hook it onto there. There you go. Oh. Just trying to get as much done before the weather changes. I think it might come the rain before they said, but when you look at the weather forecast, it's always for an area just a few miles away. It doesn't give you exactly where you are. But it's okay. You must know by now I'm not going to do anything to you. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Are you? Are you a good boy? Are you? Oh, I love you. Oh, you're a star, you are. Oh. I do love you, you know. I do. Right. Oh. Oh, cute little tail. If it wags too much, yeah. Oh. What? Are you higher? He's going higher. He's a. You can see it's sinking. I had that flat. I dug all this. I ain't got the things for it, but there you are. Look at him. Pride of place, this guy. That bee. Wow. Getting big already. So I'm going to finish this all up before the weather comes. Yeah, that's clogged up at the back, so you can't tell that it's a thing. I have to get the brush in there. But you see this here? This in between it is all moss. It's choking it. That's why I don't want to get. I want to get this off. It's all that's wet, as you know now. And then I've got to get the stuff down. But if I know if it's going to rain, there's no point because it'll just wash it away. This is the problem. I haven't got enough of that weed and feeder with Moscow. I haven't got the shiver because they pinched it, otherwise I'd use that. That just pulled it all out now. Job done. Always make sure of that cable. Keep an eye on them on. Now that shouldn't happen. That should not happen. I've let go of it and it's still going. It is stuck. Someone else mentioned that. Look, my hand is not on the power button now. That should stop, but it is still going. That is dangerous. My hands are not on the power, and then it finally clicks. That's dangerous. It sticks. See, it should do that. Well, I'd let go for quite some time there. That wasn't just a second, was it? Someone was saying that when they had it airs a while that they started doing that, so now I can believe them. The first time that's ever happened on this machine. That's why I told other people it's still live, they can start spinning up, take the power out, if you're doing anything real to it. Look at him there. He's a good boy. What are you doing? The plane's coming over again. Oh, I'm thinking it might rain beforehand, you know. Yeah. Oh, isn't it? Oh my God. Hope you ate all the food. Yes, you can see that up there. See, it's all clogging. There's your vent for the. So blows that through into there. Oh dear. Where am I? Soon get done. Then do the rest of it again. I will get to the fly mow eventually, and then the push mow, hand mow. No electric at all. Oh, I love you. I'm sorry. Oh, slow blinky. You love me, do you? Do you love me? Do you? Love me? I'm not even on the lowest cut. I just can't go any further. If you try and put it any more, it's too much. It won't do it. It's got to have the power. If you had the petrol, yeah, no problem. I'd be through it and we're done. That's gone. They took it, they stole it last year. Flower there. These ones over here, as I say, if it was up this way, I'd see them. I've got to get that out there, still haven't done. Oh, look at you, boy. And then back up there again. Then I've got to get around the edges. Oh, death. I don't have a strimmer anymore. Just going to go with the shears. Okay. This is it's only rough. It's only really the first proper cut. The second one was just the first taking off the tops. Okay. Look at you. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you. Who's a good boy, eh? Who's a good boy? Love you. Oh, I do. Oh. Oh. Try to take some pictures in the videos. Nice. Yeah. What can you do? It's very tough going to get all this done. That side there, as I say, I'll get out the other mower and the shears. I just wish I had the trimmer that he pinched off me. It's so much easier then. Look at him. I love him. Nice. I could do with the mount for there as well. They're just too tough. I'm going to go with the other ones. The old book and the old mower. 25 years of anniversary. Heavy. Let's pick it up again. I'll tell you, that rain's going to come before they say. How much it's going to be, I don't know, but just get this done. It's growing now so fast. Because I cut it to this length the other time. You see just how quickly it's grown. If you were there in my other video. It's doing it again. I've let go and it should stop. My hands are not on the power switches. Someone else mentioned they had this problem. This is quite alarming, that. So I'm literally not on the power sockets now. That is a problem. I've never had that with any other mower. So it's literally stuck in the on position. I'm not joking, look. There's the button there. That should release when I release my hands. That's a little alarming. I've not done anything to it, that's it, it's just stuck. See, look. That's a little alarming, isn't it? It's stuck in the on position. So my hands are not touching the power on or off. It's stuck. why now it's happened to me. I couldn't say why the people have mentioned this. But that is a safety feature and that is not good. I'm not joking, look. That shouldn't do that. That is scary. So I know it's getting a bit old, but still, that shouldn't do that. I've never had a mower do that in all my years. I've been mowing lawns for nearly 50 years. Still, I've been mowing lawns for nearly 50 years. And that's never happened to me. Even with gas ones or anything else, that's never happened. Now, they told me it happened to them. Now I can believe it because it's happened to me. And I didn't doubt the people, but it hadn't happened to me and I've had mine longer. They had theirs quite briefly, so yeah, that will keep going. That's scary. That is scary. That's something to be aware of. I'll go back and use the old fly mower, the Turbo Tilt 350. That's pretty instant. That clip's there for 25 years I've been using that. Right, so there's no power to it now. Any residual charge. Oh, gotta clean that out. Look at this, it's so damp. There's not much you can do about this. It's always best. Nicest country in the world, yet we have the highest water rates in the world. We're going to clean that up. The brush. This poor guy here. He wants some more stuff, don't you? Oh, I'm so sorry. Will you forgive me now? I don't want to push that too tight. I'll come back and sort that again. I just clean that. This doesn't look too good. It's the cleaning off. Get the brush. Clean that all up properly. Oh, look at him. I love you. Oh, they love you too. I want to get a little cat house for you. I was thinking either here. Well, they said they clean these things. I can see the grass is out there, but it's still coming over the rain. It comes on the inside, not the outside. Maybe it's something the way they fitted the grain door. Just can't handle the rain. Either way, it's not good enough. It comes on that side. So yeah, just another look around. I hope you'll all join me for my other videos. I've got some good videos coming with the weather picks up. So thank you to everyone who watches, likes, shares and subscribes. My viewers have gone down, but there's still the faithfuls that are sitting there. 70% of people who watch my videos don't subscribe. That's the other thing. But thank you to the ones that do. I appreciate it. And if you share as well. And the more shares I get, the more views. I noticed when the subscriber count went up, the viewer count went down. So I'm just hoping I can claw back some videos. So those are coming out nice already. So I've had to use the other camera because the 8K one's not working. These are coming out. Those there. Right. I'm going to clean all that up and have another bash. As I say, it's only on 3, not 2. You can see where I haven't done. I've got to move all those there and then have a go. I'm so sorry, will you? Forgive me. I love you a bit, you know. he wants more food, and I haven't been to the shop for that stuff. I've got to go up to Lidl or Lidl. Aldi's a two. That one there. That's all I got. Well, he's at most of it. He's come out to be with me. So he said he does love you, you know. I said, does he? Here's the brush I want. That's the thing, when people move things you don't find them, but when you know where stuff is. And those are the loppers. I want to use those on the other thing to cut it back, but yeah, I still wish I had the other strimmer, but as I say, that swine broke it. I love you. This is so wet. Look at that. Oh. Sweat like a pig here. Very clammy it is. I can tell you it's going to rain. If you can, you get as much as this off, because once it dries on, it's a right one to get off. It's not so bad. This has been trouble when you leave things to other people. They don't clean them. She brought it back and she didn't clean it, so I didn't offer her again after that. Very lazy. If I had that battery blower, I do, otherwise I've got to unpull that other one, wind it all out. It takes just as much time to do that as do everything else. I didn't want to stick to it. Second. Right. Yeah, clean it as best as you can. Every time, that'll prolong your life. Okay, the kids are back now. Loosen off the harder stuff. I really don't want to upset you by putting the blower on, but get inside of here, gaps in there, and we'll have to do it again soon, but step with thumb. Finger again. Damn these old hands. Same with this too. It's not too bad today. That's why that was sticking down. Right. Oh. Oh, I have a heartburn or whatever it else is. I just, yes, I'm sorry. They're massive. We got 4 now. I got nothing for them, I'm sorry. They're waiting for me to give them something. I'd say they do recognise you, you know. Right. Well, I'll try and upload this a bit. There's 11 girls there. Not too much stuck in there today, to be honest. I can't believe that. You know, it's sticking around there instead. Oh, forgive us, will you? I think this rain's going to come soon. Oh, do it. That's quite long. I still haven't done that other side, but I don't think I'm going to get to that today. I'll have to use the fly mower. I just don't know how long the rain's going to be. If it's only like 2 hours, like they said, then I might be able to get out another video on Sunday and get that side done as well, as you can see the difference. And I wish I had that shifter thing to get the moss out, but I haven't got it anymore. You go with the rake, but shattered. Getting old now. Bring this in. To put it there, do. There's too much leak in the shed. It's cost me a lot of money. Okay. Wind this back up. That's the thing with the old ones, a lot easier to wind. Wind that up. Sort this little guy out. I love you, Chairman. Can you say goodbye and au revoir? Au revoir? Yeah. Till we meet again. Oh, I love you. Look at him. Oh, you're the best, aren't you?